Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to place for all things catering and event planning. We're here to help you navigate the exciting world of hospitality, one video at a time. Our channel is a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and expert advice, whether you're an experienced caterer seeking to hone your skills or a novice hoping to break into the industry. Today, we're delving into a topic that's essential for anyone considering a career in this dynamic field. We're uncovering the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a caterer. This isn't just about mastering recipes or arranging beautiful platters. It's about understanding the industry, honing your business acumen, and cultivating a passion for service. So, strap in and prepare for a crash course in catering essentials. We'll explore everything from understanding your market to mastering health and safety regulations, and much more. Without further ado, here are the top 10 things you need to know before embarking on a career in catering. First off, understand your market. This is foundational to your success in the catering industry. The market is more than just a group of people who might order your food. It's a living, breathing entity that's constantly evolving. Your market includes understanding the demographics, what types of events are prevalent in your area, and what food preferences and dietary restrictions are common among your potential clients. Understanding your competition is equally important. Identify what other catering companies are offering and find a way to differentiate your services. Perhaps you can offer a unique menu or specialize in a specific cuisine. Moreover, understanding your market also means keeping an eye on food trends. Are people leaning towards healthier options, or is there a growing demand for international cuisine? This knowledge allows you to tailor your services to meet the needs and wants of your potential clients, thereby increasing your chances of success. Knowing your market is the first step to a successful catering career. Second, mastering your cooking skills is a must. This is not just about knowing how to make a good roast or bake a perfect cake. It's about constantly evolving your culinary prowess. You see, in this industry, you must be a maestro of your kitchen, conducting a symphony of flavors that leave your clients craving for more. Stay updated with food trends. The culinary world is dynamic, ever-changing. Today's hot cake might be tomorrow's passé. Therefore, keep a keen eye on what's new and exciting in the food scene. This could be a new cooking technique, a trendy ingredient, or even a fusion of cuisines. Moreover, perfecting your signature dishes is crucial. These will be your unique selling points, the dishes that set you apart from other caterers. They are your culinary business cards, if you will. In the end, it's all about creating delicious, memorable meals that capture your clients' tastes and preferences. Remember, your cooking skills are your selling point. Third, never underestimate the power of people skills. In the dynamic world of catering, your culinary expertise alone won't cut it. You see, the ability to connect, communicate, and collaborate with others is just as crucial. Let's start with your clients. They're not just looking for a caterer. They're looking for a partner, someone who can understand their vision and bring it to life. Excellent communication skills are key here. You need to listen to their ideas, offer suggestions, and make them feel valued. Then there's your team. You're not a one-person show. You need to be able to inspire, motivate, and lead your staff to create the best culinary experience possible. This requires a blend of empathy, respect, and decisiveness. And let's not forget your suppliers. Building strong relationships with them can ensure you get the highest quality ingredients at the best prices. Good people skills can take your business a long way. It's not just about the food, it's about the people. Fourth, catering is a business. Not just any business, but one that requires a keen understanding of management principles. It's more than just cooking and serving food. It involves careful financial planning and strategic marketing. You'll need to be savvy with numbers. This means budgeting for ingredients, labor, and overhead costs, as well as pricing your services competitively. Good financial management ensures you're making a profit without compromising the quality of your offerings. But it's not all spreadsheets and calculations. Marketing too plays a crucial role. You'll need to effectively communicate your brand, your unique selling proposition, and why customers should choose you over other caterers. Social media, websites, flyers, or word of mouth. It's about finding the right mix that works for your business. Remember, every successful caterer is also a successful business manager. And in a competitive field like catering, good business management can set you apart from the competition. Fifth, health and safety regulations are crucial. In the world of catering, these regulations are not mere suggestions, but actual rules that must be followed. The importance of understanding and following health and safety regulations cannot be overstated. These regulations are put in place to ensure the well-being of both your clients and your staff. From proper food handling and storage to maintaining a clean and safe environment, these rules are designed to prevent foodborne illnesses and workplace accidents. Remember, a single incident can tarnish the reputation of your catering business. A reputation that may have taken years to build can be ruined in an instant if health and safety regulations are not adhered to. Moreover, in the eyes of the law, ignorance is not an excuse. If you're in the catering business, it's your responsibility to be familiar with these regulations. Your reputation depends on your adherence to health and safety regulations. Sixth, be prepared for long hours. The catering industry is not a 9-to-5 job. It's an all-hands-on-deck commitment that often extends into the late hours of the night and starts early in the morning. Not only will you be prepping and cooking the food, but you'll also be involved in setting up the venue, serving guests, and cleaning up afterward. This kind of work requires physical stamina and mental fortitude. It's not just standing on your feet for hours on end, but also constantly moving, lifting, bending, and rushing to meet deadlines. You'll need to be organized, efficient, and highly adaptable to keep up with the pace. Beyond the physical demands, the long hours can also take a toll on your social life. Holidays, weekends, and evenings, typically times for relaxation, are peak hours for caterers. But don't let this deter you. Remember, every successful caterer started somewhere. Hard work and dedication are key in the catering industry. Seventh, creativity goes a long way. In the world of catering, the ability to think outside the box is a key success factor. This is evident in two main areas: menu creation and event planning. When it comes to menu creation, creativity allows you to craft unique dishes that capture the attention and taste buds of your clients. It's not just about cooking a meal, it's about creating a culinary experience. By adding your own twist to recipes, you not only make your food memorable, but you also give your clients a reason to come back for more. Event planning, on the other hand, requires creativity in terms of presentation and arrangement. It's about creating an ambiance that complements the food and enhances the overall dining experience. Whether it's a formal corporate event or a casual backyard barbecue, your creative touch can make all the difference. Remember, in a sea of caterers, your creativity can make your catering business stand out. Eighth, networking is key. This isn't a statement made lightly. In the catering industry, who you know can often be just as important as what you know. Networking opens doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain closed. It's through these connections that you can learn about new trends, techniques, and even business opportunities. Imagine yourself at a trade show, rubbing elbows with suppliers, fellow caterers, and potential clients. Each interaction is a chance to learn, grow, and potentially expand your business. Or consider the value of joining industry associations, where you can meet like-minded professionals and share experiences, tips, and advice. Social media, too, is a powerful networking tool. By engaging with the online community, you can broaden your reach and increase your visibility. Remember, every connection is a potential client or collaborator, so don't underestimate the power of a simple conversation. Building strong relationships can lead to more business opportunities. Ninth, understanding legal requirements is a must. As a caterer, you'll be dealing with food and the public, exposing you to a host of legalities that you need to navigate effectively. It's not just about cooking delicious food. It's also about ensuring the safety and health of your clients. You must abide by the health and safety regulations in your area, which often involves regular inspections of your kitchen facilities. You'll also need to understand the terms of your business permits and licenses, as well as the rules surrounding hiring staff, if you choose to do so. Insurance is another critical factor. You need to have enough coverage to protect you from potential risks, like food poisoning or accidents at an event. And don't forget about taxes. Running a catering business means you're potentially a small business owner, so you'll need to understand your tax obligations too. Remember, ignorance is not a defense in the eyes of the law. Stay on the right side of the law to avoid unnecessary complications. Last but not least, passion. This is the beating heart of the catering industry. Without it, the most exquisite recipes would taste bland, the most elegant table settings would look plain, the most efficient service would feel robotic. Passion is what breathes life into every aspect of catering. It's the spark that drives you to perfect your culinary skills, to create a memorable dining experience, to strive for excellence in every event you cater. It's what keeps you going through the long hours, the demanding clients, the unforeseen challenges. Passion is more than just loving what you do. It's about putting your heart and soul into it, pouring your creativity and dedication into every dish you prepare, every table you set, every event you orchestrate. Passion is what turns a job into a vocation, a meal into a feast, a gathering into a celebration. It's what sets the extraordinary caterers apart from the ordinary ones. Passion is the fuel that will keep your catering business going. So there you have it, the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a caterer. We've journeyed together through understanding your market, mastering your cooking skills, and developing those essential people skills. We've unpacked the importance of business management, health and safety regulations, and being prepared for long hours. We've explored the need for creativity and networking, and we've delved into the legal requirements of the trade. And of course, the fuel that drives it all, your passion for food and service. Each of these elements plays a critical role in your journey towards becoming a successful caterer. They intertwine and interact, building upon each other to create a solid foundation for your catering business. Remember, catering is not just about cooking, it's about creating memorable experiences. Thank you for watching House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this. Until next time, keep cooking and keep creating.